guys, today I am back. Sorry guys, because my storage there is storage full. Yeah. Now next we are now finally beating Goku or Spiritor. He's Spiritor. Okay guys, so he's Spiritor, okay? So, time to beat Spiritor. I know what to use. Firstly, we don't need our... Wait, we need our dual speed. Don't need our medic. I think... Yeah, we need sniper. Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Wait, let me just upgrade. Paintball. Okay, so there we go. Now time to beat it. Okay guys, so here we go. They spawning the Spiritor. Oh, I forgot what to do. Oh, there it is. That's the Spiritor, guys. Don't trust Spiritor. Okay, now wait. This is sabi. Jumps the Goku. He jumps and literally beat the Goku. He become Goku. Yep, guys, you heard. He become Goku. So literally not good. Oh. Kill him. Blast. Oh. The blast out back. So they finally dead. This guy ain't dead. Go snipers. I don't want to. Sorry. Okay. So I think I can now finally game, right? Obviously not. Okay, jump day. We just see how much health the Spirit. 750, okay. Wait guys, okay? Okay. Okay, doon. Okay. I literally know who that is. That's so close. Nice Spirator. Oh, so 30 damage. Okay. I guess I'll take it. Let's go finally. It's 180. Health and 74 damage. So let's do this. What kind of voice is that? I just heard that, okay guys? I just heard that from Spirator. Like if you're an anime, why would you sound like that? Oh hell no, bro. I hate Bugerator. You see that, guys? You heard that? He said it. He said it. Guys, don't have twice, bro. Great. Well, let's go. Let's do this. About to end this life. Let's go. Okay. Okay. When you ain't fully charged. Whoa. I know next. Okay, so it's flower power. Okay. Flower power. Okay. Okay.
Fully charged.
No, you ain't fully charged. You're fully charge that healing. Okay? Oh no. Two rage test. No, actually just one, okay? I don't know why. Oh no, oh god, oh god, oh god. Be angry. Finally. Bro's too angry. Oh my gosh. I literally need some of those. No, no, no. Take that! Okay. No, I don't read, okay? I'm recording, okay? How did bro die? He didn't even does his speeding thing. How did Ragester die? Didn't even touch. Okay. Bro's raging. No, you're extra charge. You're fully dead. No. Okay. Now Team Juggernaut. Okay. Bro's already dead? Nah, bro, now they spamming. Stop the spam! They're dead, so... Oh my gosh! Do it, please! Let's go, finally! He dead! Oh great! Don't you even die today. You're already dead. Yeah, bro, die in the sky. Yeah, die in the sky, Spiritator. That's what you get for trying to be Goku, but you're not really not. Die in the sky, Spiritator. I think it's Spiritator. If it's not, then do a gravity battler. You just and plus you just get hit by an airstrike, and plus you just got I don't know what they say. You just got killed by a magnet. Just got killed by a magnet. So don't even try. Okay. So last stage. Last stage and we're gonna beat. Okay, so that's okay. So last stage and we're going to beat Coil Fuse. Yeah, Soul Fuse. Are you serious right now? Why did they make that sound if they don't? What I mean? Oh my gosh! Just me form! They're dead. Finally, he dead. Are you serious, bro? You're kidding. You're kidding. Stop spamming! Finally, he's dead. Oh great, not that guys. Okay, no. Okay, still no. Ragester coming. Very good. Yeah, die in the sky. Generator, die in the sky. Die ka sa sky. Namatay ka sa sky. Yeah, take that. Ragester. Oh god, another Ragester. Oh great, another Ragester. What am I gonna do? There's another Ragester. Obviously, kill him. Go. You missed, bro. Oh, you didn't miss. Oh, this is literally total chaos, bro. This is too chaotic. Use it. Let's go. Yeah, die. Yeah, Generator, die in the sky. No, you're fully dead. No, now time to be confrontation. Now I know something, guys, if you don't know. I'm going to replace Sniper with Bomb because that's very good. Plus, I'm going to get now one. Yeah, this is good. Okay, this loadout's good. Flamer. Let's go. Wait, okay. Let me just upgrade some units. Wait, wala akong pera. Yay. So let's do it. Okay. Let's go, do it. Ragesters. It's necessary, okay? Because Ragester's coming. Okay? We ain't kicking, like literally. Like that. I took so much damage, bro. But this guy must be dead. This music's so good, guys. Right there! That's what you get. Yeah, plus there's more blast out. So that will be great. Oh my gosh. Yes, let's go! He did! The souls! The souls are here! Guys, the souls are here. Oh yeah, I forgot to upgrade my mount. Finally it's max. We really need mobs, so bro died when the base did. He danced, he died. That's karma. Okay? When the bomber danced and he died. You know why? Because he's being toxic, okay? Plus more scenes, okay? So guys, wait, okay? So may going to beat Gates of Flames. 2 stars. Red Hearing. So I can now finally buy that donator. I don't know why I buy this, but okay. Legit to me. How did you die? That wasn't necessary. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. I chose the wrong loadout. We're gonna change it, okay? We need anti-red, so we need some anti-red, so I think I'm gonna use no, I think I'm going to use I'm not gonna use anti-red, but chainsaw. Yeah. Finally, time to beat it. it's basically now a kamikaze. So burnout is absolutely now a kamikaze. Bro, this is really kamikaze. Yeah, I forgot. These bridges, yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah, I know playing these guys Altform. This Altform. This literally Altform is actually. Okay. Do it. Right. I'm almost close to dying, guys. Right. Time to end this. Go. Great. Finally, he's dead. All we need to do is just go find it. Beat the base! Beat the base up! Beat up the base! Kamikaze, kill them! Let's go! Kamikaze, you did a great work. I really love Kamikaze. Go! Let's go! Bro, they did. So finally, I can now buy detonator. The last thing I need to buy, the last base I need to buy. Let's go! Now I finally got everything here. The clock is ticking. Enemy bounty is boosted astronomically, but there's a timer where... Yeah, I know that. So boost up the base. So the boost up the bounty. Okay. Let's go. Now it's 9:20. Okay guys, so that's all for it. So bye guys.